Welcome to the world of ketosis, where your body becomes a fat-burning powerhouse, unlocking sustained energy, sharp focus, and transformative health benefits. In this video, we'll explore how fasting and ketosis work hand in hand to supercharge your well-being and deliver life-changing results. Ready to discover the science behind this metabolic marvel? Let's dive in. So what is ketosis? Ketosis is a metabolic state where the body shifts from using glucose as its primary energy source to utilizing ketone bodies, which are derived from fat. This occurs when carbohydrate intake is significantly reduced, leading to glycogen depletion and increased fat metabolism in the liver. Where does ketosis take place in the body? Ketosis primarily occurs in the liver, where fatty acids are converted into ketone bodies through a process called ketogenesis. These ketones are then transported via the bloodstream to tissues such as the brain, heart, and muscles, which use them as alternative energy source. Physiological mechanisms of ketosis. First, glycogen depletion. When carbohydrate intake is low, glycogen stores in the liver and muscles are depleted. Next, fat mobilization. The body begins breaking down stored triglycerides into fatty acids and glycerol. Next, ketogenesis. In the liver, fatty acids are converted into acetyl-CoA, which is then used to produce ketone bodies, beta-hydroxybutyrate, acetoacetate, and acetone. Then, energy utilization. Peripheral tissues, including the brain, oxidize ketone bodies for energy, sparing glucose for essential functions, like red blood cell metabolism. Organs that use or produce ketone bodies. The liver is the primary site of ketone production through ketogenesis. However, the liver itself cannot use ketones for energy due to the absence of some specific enzymes. The brain cannot produce ketones but is a major consumer of ketone bodies during glucose scarcity. Ketones cross the blood-brain barrier and serve as an efficient energy source. The heart muscle efficiently oxidizes ketones for energy, especially during fasting or low carbohydrate intake. The skeletal muscles. These tissues utilize ketones as an energy source during prolonged exercise or fasting. The kidneys can use ketones for energy and play a role in regulating ketone levels in the blood. Now let's take a look at the timeline of metabolic changes, including autophagy. 0 to 4 hours. Post-absorptive state. The body uses glucose from the last meal for energy. Insulin levels are high, promoting glucose uptake and storage. Then, 4 to 12 hours. Glycogen depletion. The body, at this stage, begins to deplete glycogen stores in the liver and muscles. Blood glucose levels start to drop, and the body shifts towards fat as an energy source. This is highly desired. Next, 12 to 16 hours. Early ketosis. At this stage, the liver starts converting fat into ketone bodies. Ketone levels in the blood begin to rise, signaling the onset of ketosis. Mental clarity and energy levels may improve as the brain starts using ketones for fuel. Next, 16 to 12 hours, the full ketosis stage. The body is in full ketosis, with ketone production peaking. Appetite suppression occurs due to the effects of ketones on hunger hormones. Fat burning accelerates, leading to increased weight loss and improved metabolic health. 24 to 72 hours, deep ketosis and autophagy. Ketone levels remain high, providing sustained energy. Autophagy, a cellular repair process, is activated, promoting the clearance of damaged cells and proteins. Insulin sensitivity improves and inflammation decreases, more pronounced targeting damaged cells and proteins. Beyond 72 hours, prolonged fasting benefits. The body continues to burn fat for energy, maintaining high ketone levels. Then, enhanced autophagy and cellular regeneration occur. Long-term health benefits include improved brain function, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and increased longevity. Ketosis in fasting versus ketogenic diet. Fasting. Ketosis is naturally induced as glycogen stores are depleted, and autophagy is enhanced due to the absence of nutrient intake. Ketogenic diet. A high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate diet mimics the metabolic effects of fasting, maintaining ketosis and promoting autophagy over time. Typically, carbohydrates in the diet provide most of the fuel the body needs. The keto diet reduces the number of carbs you eat and teaches your body to burn fat for fuel instead. It changes the way the body uses food. The keto diet is high in fat, moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates. The standard keto diet consists of, on average, 70 to 80% fats, 10 to 20% proteins, 5 to 10% carbohydrates. How to get faster into ketosis? There are different ways. From a medical physiological standpoint, achieving ketosis more rapidly involves several strategies that influence your body's metabolic processes. Here are some of the key approaches. First, reduce carbohydrate intake. Lowering your daily carbohydrate consumption to around 20 to 50 grams forces your body to deplete glycogen stores and switch to fat as its primary energy source. Assume you eat 20 to 50 grams of carbohydrate each day. It will usually take you 2 to 4 days to enter ketosis. However, the time it takes to enter this stage varies based on several factors. Increase physical activity. Exercise, particularly high-intensity workouts, helps burn glycogen stored in muscles, accelerating the transition to ketosis. Intermittent fasting. The most common method of intermittent fasting involves eating all of your food within 8 hours. Then you fast for the remaining 16 hours of 24-hour period. Consume healthy fats. Incorporating fats like olive oil, avocados, and others provides the body with an alternative energy source promoting ketone production. Use medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs found in coconut oil, for example, are quickly converted into ketones by the liver, aiding the process. Don't forget to stay hydrated and maintain electrolyte balance. Avoid snacking. Let's take a look at advantages of ketones for organs and the brain. The physiological advantages are huge. The brain. Ketones provide a stable and efficient energy source, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. They also enhance mitochondrial function and have neuroprotective effects, which may benefit conditions like epilepsy and neurodegenerative disorders. Additionally, ketone bodies, particularly beta-hydroxybutyrate, stimulate the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein essential for neuronal growth, survival, and plasticity, and for the overall brain performance and health. Heart. Ketones improve cardiac efficiency and endurance, especially during stress or increased workload. Muscles. Ketones reduce reliance on glucose, preserving muscle glycogen stores and preventing protein breakdown. Kidneys. Ketones help maintain acid-base balance and provide an alternative energy source during fasting. Finally, health benefits of fasting-induced ketosis. Fasting-induced ketosis offers a range of health benefits as highlighted by the leading medical journals. This includes enhanced brain function, weight loss, improved metabolic health, reduced inflammation, cardiovascular benefits, cellular repair and longevity, neuroprotection, and cancer prevention. I hope this was helpful.